Let's see how many trucks honk their horns in 50 minutes. With the timer starting now. Yeah, nice. Okay, that's one. Okay, that's one car. Three in a row. Nice. He flashes lights, so we count that for a half point. Okay, another one incoming. Please, it's a blue one. Love the color. Yeah. Honk, 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 honk. Yeah. And that's time. So guys, in total we got this much of trucks and cars to honk. By the way, this was very fun to do. See you in the next episode.